Hi guys, John, Fight for Fitness Academy coming to you live from Dubai. Well, not really live because when I post this, it isn't going to be live, but I will post this today. It's our last full day today. So a little disappointed that pretty soon I'm going to be coming home, back to normality, back to training. I haven't actually lifted a weight. I've done a few press-ups, had a little press-up challenge going, which we normally do on every holiday, which is every time I have an alcoholic drink, I have to bang out 50 press-ups. Today, I've had 3 alcoholic drinks. It's about 3:45 in the afternoon, and so I've done about 150 press-ups. Fast maths that, isn't it? 3 times 50 equals 150. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous here. If I just show you. Absolutely stunning over here. In fact, in all the holidays I've ever been on, this is certainly the nicest, and it was a surprise for my beautiful wife. So really excited about that. Anyway, the reason for the video today, I just wanted to talk about getting started, because I speak to so many people who want to get into some kind of fitness or wanting to get in some sort of shape, and they always put it off, you know, like I'll start when I'm fitter. I'll start tomorrow, I'll start next week, I'll start the diet on Monday. It never seems to be imminent. It always seems to be, let's try and procrastinate, let's try and put things off. So what I'm trying to say to you is, rather than try and change a multitude of things, rather than trying to change myriad things, just try and start with something simple, something small. So rather than say, right, I'm gonna go from nothing, from lying on the sofa to eating shit every single day, to going to the gym every single day, reducing your calories horrendously and significantly, just start slowly, because remember, you've got to be in this for the long haul. This fitness game is for the long haul. It isn't for the short term. We're not about quick fixes. We are not about trying to lose loads of weight really quickly. We're on about trying to remain consistent and keeping this game going for a long time. So just try and change 1 or 2 things. The helicopter, obviously you can see my yacht there in the background of the photo. That's my yacht. That's where I'll be staying on. Forgive the squinting, it is so bright over here. Giving you a little bit of a pan around. Some like water villas behind me. That's the yacht again. There's the water villas right there. Our hotel is over here. We are staying at the Waldorf Astoria. It's an absolutely incredible hotel, probably one of the best I've ever been to. So we've had an amazing time. So yeah, let's just start changing one thing. Don't try and change too many things. Don't be too drastic. Remember, you have to be in this for the long haul. Fitness, health, wellness is a lifestyle change. It's not a quick fix. So think of what you want to do. Well, if it's going to be losing a little bit of weight, start off slowly. Just cut out the crap you might eat. Just one of the bits of crap that you might eat. If you drink Coke every day, just forget about that. Forget that for a week. Then start reducing it gradually. Then it will become more sustainable and more easy to manage. If it's a fitness goal, then don't start crazy. Don't go to the gym 5 days a week if you never go. Try and go once a week. Then build it to twice, 3 times, etc., etc. If you do get some value from these videos, and value from me squinting, and value from me looking like a red lobster, then please like and share this video with friends and family, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, no matter what is going on in your life, from sunny Dubai, yachts, hotels, beach, sand, sun, sea, and the obvious, there are no excuses.